Hi there and welcome to OLAGOLD Academy. Now, for today's lesson, we'll be looking at the derivation of the equations of linear motion. Derivations of the equations of linear motions. How we can derive the equations of linear motion. Now, we have three equations of motion. Or let me say we have four. The first one, we have V equals to U plus AT. Second one, we have S equals to UT plus half AT squared. Third one, we have V squared equals to U squared plus 2AS. Fourth one, we have S equals to V plus U over T multiplied by, V over U over 2 multiplied by T. We have this. Now, we are going to look at how these four formulas are being derived. Stay with me till the end of this video lesson so that you can master how these four equations of motions are being derived. Alright, let's go into it without wasting our time. Now, to derive the first equation of motion, what do we do? Recall formula for acceleration. Formula for acceleration. Now, acceleration is expressed as A equal to V minus U over T. This is the formula for acceleration. What's the next thing there? Make V the subject of the formula. So how do we do that? By cross multiplying. So when we multiply this by this, we're going to have V minus U equals to AT. So this times 1 give us this. A times T give us AT. What's the next thing there? Bring this U to this side. So we're going to have V equals to U plus AT. So this becomes our first equation of motion. Now, to derive second equation of motion, recall formula for displacement. Now, displacement is given a formula to be S equal to velocity times time. Displacement equals what? Velocity multiplied by time. Now, with this being done, now in the case of average velocity, for average velocity, we are going to have V plus U over 2. We are going to have this. So what's the next thing here? We are going to replace this velocity here with average velocity. So we're going to have S equal to, our V becomes what there? Average velocity, which is V plus U over 2. So we have V plus U over 2 multiplied by T. So we have this. So we have this one here. Alright. The next thing we are going to do here is that we are going to replace this V here with this. The value of V we are going to replace it with this here. So we can say replace V. Let's call this one equation. Let's call this one equation asterisk. Let's call it equation asterisk. You can say replace V equal to U plus AC in equation asterisk. So we're going to have S equal to, our V is now what? U plus AT. So we're going to have U plus AT plus U over 2 multiplied by T. So we have this. All right, the next thing, U plus U give us what there? 2U plus AT over 2 multiplied by T here. Multiplied by T. Now, the next thing to do, I can rewrite this as this. S equal to 2U over 2 plus AT over 2 multiplied by T. What next? 2 cancel 2. So I'm going to have S equal to U plus AT over 2 multiplied by T. What next? Open the bracket. So I'm going to have S equal to U times T give us what there? UT plus AT times T give us what there? AT squared over what there? Over 2. Now, I can rewrite this as S equal to UT plus half AT squared. So this one becomes my equation 2. Equation 2. Now the next thing is to derive my equation 3. Equation 3. Now, to derive equation 3, what do we do there? Make T the subject of formula in V equals to U plus AT. Make this T the subject of the formula. So we're going to have V equals to U plus AT. What do? We bring what there? U to this side. We're going to have V minus U equals to AT. What's the next thing there? Over A. A cancel A. So we're going to have our T to be equal to V minus U over A. So what's the next thing there? Let's substitute T equals to V minus U over A into equation asterisk also. So substitute T equal to V minus U over A into equation asterisk. Now let's recall, equation asterisk equals to S equal to V plus U over 2 multiplied by T. So what next? We are going to replace this value of T with this. So we're going to have S equal to V plus U over 2. Our T is now this. We are going to have V minus U over A. So we are going to have this. Our next task is to open the bracket. Open the bracket. upon the so we're going to have our s equal to v times v give us v squared. V times u give us v times minus u give us minus uv. We are done with this. Plus u times v give us what there? Plus uv. U times minus u give us minus u squared over 2 times a give us 2a. Alright, what's the next thing there? S equal to v squared minus ub plus uv cancel out. So we have v squared minus u squared over 2a. What's the next thing there? Cross multiply. Bring this one here and bring this one here. So we're going to have v squared minus u squared equal to 2as. What's the next in there? Bring this u squared to this side. So we are going to have v squared equal to u squared. When this negative cross this side become positive, so we have u squared plus 2as. So this gives us our third equation for linear motion. And this equation asterisk becomes our fourth equation of motion. So far, we have brought out the first equation, which is what? V equals to u plus at. We have derived the second equation, which is what there? F equal to u plus half at squared. We have derived the third equation, which is what there? V squared equal to u squared plus 2as. And lastly, we made our equation asterisk to be our fourth equation. So we have s equal to v plus u over 2 multiplied by c. So we have this as our four equations of linear motion. So if you find this video helpful, do well to hit the like button, subscribe, share, and drop a comment to support this YouTube channel. Don't forget, this is OLAGOLD Academy. Your maths, your biology, your chemistry, and your physics tutor. Feel free to DM us concerning any subjects you are willing to be tutored. This is OLAGOLD Academy. Thanks for watching. Bye.